Hey everyone, welcome to AM Smart Tech, your go-to place for tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss our content. Today, we're diving into the top 10 computer tips and tricks that will elevate your productivity and enhance your overall user experience. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned user, these tips are sure to come in handy. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's talk about multitasking. If you're like most people, you probably have multiple apps and windows open at once. A neat trick to quickly switch between these open applications is by pressing Alt plus Tab. This can save you a lot of time and make your multitasking much more efficient. Next, let's talk about security. To quickly lock your computer, especially when you're stepping away in a shared space, just press Windows plus L. It's a simple yet powerful way to keep your data safe. Ever accidentally closed a tab in your browser and wished you could get it back? By pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus T, you can reopen the last closed tab. A simple yet game-changing trick. Do you have a lot of apps open and need to clear your desktop quickly? Simply press Windows plus D to minimize all open apps and show your desktop, and press it again to get back all the minimized applications on your desktop. To delete a file permanently without sending it to the recycle bin first, press Shift plus Delete. Be careful with this one, as it can't be undone. If you are in a situation where you want to clear your clipboard swiftly, there is a quite simple keyboard shortcut that you can use. By pressing the Windows key along with the letter V, you will be able to access the clipboard. Once you've done that, you can then select Clear All. This particular function can be immensely useful, especially in situations where you have copied sensitive or confidential information onto your clipboard and you want to ensure that it is not pasted elsewhere accidentally. It provides an added layer of security for your data, ensuring that no unintentional pasting occurs, thus preventing potential complications or breaches of privacy. Instead of opening a calculator application, you can perform quick calculations right from the Windows search bar. Just type in your calculation, and the results will appear instantly. It's a handy trick for simple math without any extra effort. If you want to experiment with different operating systems or test software in a controlled environment, virtual machines are a fantastic solution. Virtualization software like VirtualBox or VMware allows you to run multiple operating systems simultaneously on a single computer. It's a great way to explore new software or create isolated testing environments. For example, if you're using Windows 11 as your main operating system, you can have a virtual machine with Windows 10. You can also add macOS or Linux to your virtual machines. It provides the flexibility to expand your computing experience and try out various setups without the need for separate hardware. Stay tuned for my upcoming video where I will guide you through the step-by-step process of setting up virtual machines for your own experimentation and software testing purposes. To quickly switch between open applications on your taskbar, use Windows plus number key. The number corresponds to the position of the application on the taskbar. For instance, pressing Windows plus 1 will switch to the first application. And lastly, for a touch of fun and personality in your chats, you can use Windows plus period key to bring up the emoji keyboard. Go ahead, express yourself. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive list of the top 10 computer tips and tricks we think everyone should know. We hope you found these tips useful and that they'll help you navigate your computer more efficiently. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to AM Smart Tech for more tech tips and tricks. Until next time, stay smart.